Ever feel like navigating the world of banking is more complicated than it needs to be? You're not alone. Whether you're new to Canada, finally ready to take control of your finances, or simply looking for a better banking experience, opening a bank account is a fundamental first step. And if you're considering the Bank of Montreal, or BMO as most people know it, you've come to the right place. But before we dive into the nitty-gritty of account openings, let's take a step back. Why BMO? What makes them stand out in a sea of financial institutions? BMO has a long and rich history, dating all the way back to 1817, making it one of Canada's oldest and most established banks. This longevity often translates to a sense of security and reliability for its customers. Beyond its history, BMO boasts a wide network of branches and ATMs across Canada and even into the United States, offering convenient access to your funds wherever you might be. Furthermore, in today's digital age, a strong online and mobile banking platform is crucial, and BMO has invested significantly in this area. The mobile app is consistently ranked highly for its user-friendliness and comprehensive features, allowing you to manage your money on the go. They also offer a diverse range of account types, from basic checking and savings accounts to specialized options designed for students, seniors, and businesses. This variety ensures that most individuals can find an account that aligns with their specific financial needs and goals. Beyond the practical aspects, BMO has also been increasingly focusing on initiatives related to sustainability and community involvement, which might resonate with those who value these aspects in their financial partners. They actively participate in various programs aimed at environmental responsibility and social progress. Now, circling back to our main question, how do you actually open a BMO bank account? The good news is that BMO offers multiple avenues to get started, catering to different preferences and circumstances. You can choose to open an account online, visit a branch in person, or even explore the option of doing it over the phone in some cases. We'll break down each of these methods step by step. Let's start with the online application process, as this is often the most convenient option for many. To begin, you'll need to navigate to the official BMO website. Once there, look for the Personal Banking section and then find the option to open an account. This will typically lead you to a page where you can explore the different types of personal accounts BMO offers. Take some time to review the features, benefits, and fees associated with each account to determine which one best suits your needs. Consider factors like monthly fees, transaction limits, interest rates for savings accounts, and any additional perks they might offer. Once you've selected the account you want to open, you'll click on the Apply Now or similar button. This will take you to an online application form. Be prepared to provide detailed personal information, including your full name, date of birth, current residential address, contact information, phone number and email address, and your social insurance number, SIN. Providing your SIN is optional for opening a bank account, but it's usually required if you want to earn interest on a savings account. The online application will also likely ask for information about your employment status and income. This helps BMO understand your financial profile. You'll also need to declare your residency status and answer questions related to anti-money laundering regulations. Ensure all the information you provide is accurate and up-to-date. As part of the online application, you'll likely need to electronically agree to BMO's terms and conditions and privacy policy. Take the time to read these documents carefully before proceeding. Once you've filled out all the required fields and agreed to the terms, you'll typically submit your application electronically. After submitting your online application, BMO will review it. In some cases, they might be able to approve your application relatively quickly. However, depending on the complexity of your situation or if further verification is needed, the process might take a bit longer. You may receive an email confirmation acknowledging your application and outlining the next steps. This might include instructions on how to verify your identity. Now, let's consider the second method, opening a BMO bank account in person at a branch. This option might be preferred if you value face-to-face interaction, have specific questions you want to ask, or simply feel more comfortable with the process. To open an account at a BMO branch, you'll need to locate a branch near you. You can easily do this by using the branch locator tool on the BMO website or app. Once you've identified a convenient branch, it's generally a good idea to call ahead and inquire about their procedures for opening new accounts and whether you need to book an appointment. While walk-ins are often accepted, booking an appointment can save you time and ensure that a customer service representative is available to assist you promptly. When you visit the branch, be sure to bring the necessary documentation for identification. This typically includes 1 or 2 pieces of valid government-issued photo identification, such as your driver's license, passport, or permanent resident card. It's also a good idea to bring proof of your current residential address, such as a recent utility bill or a bank statement from another institution. If you plan to deposit funds into your new account immediately, bring the cash or check you wish to deposit. Upon arrival at the branch, inform the staff that you'd like to open a new personal bank account. You'll likely be directed to a customer service representative who will guide you through the process. They will ask you questions about your banking needs and help you choose the account that best fits your requirements. Be prepared to answer questions about your personal information, employment, and income, similar to the online application. The bank representative will then help you fill out the necessary application forms. Take your time to review all the information before signing. Don't hesitate to ask any questions you may have about the account features, fees, or terms and conditions. The representative will also explain how to access your account, including information about online banking, mobile banking, and your debit card. Once your application is processed and approved, which can often happen on the same day, you'll likely receive temporary account information and details about when your permanent debit card will be mailed to you. The representative can also assist you with setting up online banking access and answering any initial questions you might have. Opening a bank account is a significant step towards managing your finances effectively. By understanding the different methods available at BMO and preparing the necessary information, you can make the process smooth and straightforward. Take your time to choose the right account for you, and don't hesitate to seek assistance from BMO's representatives if you have any questions along the way. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.